Direct editing is a very useful tool to help me make changes or edits to some existing designs. And this works very easily in Shaper 3D. Essentially, I can just tap to select any existing designs. So here, let's tap on this fillet, for example, here. And notice as soon as I tap on that fillet, I get my arrows coming in, and I also get the existing dimension. So for one, I could simply tap on the existing dimension. It looks like a fillet of 30 here, and maybe I want to change that to 20, for example. And now I have the smaller radius fillet. Similarly, instead of giving the exact dimension, I could use my arrows, just as we already have seen, and I can increase or decrease the radius of this fillet as needed. Similarly, I can do this for any portion of my design. So let's say I want to make a change to the size of this hole, for example. Tap to select the hole and push or pull on my arrows to make my hole larger or smaller. And again, I can set an exact dimension as well. And not only can I change the sizing or dimensions, but let's say perhaps I wanted to completely remove or delete this hole, I can just tap to select and use the delete tool here. So I'll delete this hole, and now I've completely removed the hole from my design. Similarly, let's say I want to delete or get rid of a particular fillet. I can just tap to select the particular fillet and delete. I have now removed that particular fillet. I can also make these direct edits or changes to entire faces or portions of a design. So let's say I tap to select this top face here. Maybe I want to make my design a little bit thicker, let's say. So again, I can press or pull on my arrows to increase or decrease the thickness of my design as needed here. What's also very useful about this is notice as I'm editing this top face here, all of my fillets are automatically coming with these design changes. So, as we can see, our direct editing tools within Shaper 3D are very useful and very easy to use to make any design changes we may need. Simply tap to select whatever we'd like to change and use our arrows to push or pull on our designs or change dimensions directly.